What's up, everyone? So I've been doing a lot of different modifications to different things across my computer. I'll show you, for instance, these folder icons, all customized. My dock over here, the Finder, Chrome app icon, Safari, Launchpad, App Store, Mail, Contacts, Notes, Stickies, Books, Messages, FaceTime, Photos, Photo Viewer for like slideshows, Duplicates Cleaner, iTunes, QuickTime, free WMV AVI converter, and this I'm going to go into a little more detail about the image to icon, preview, system preferences, so you get the point. Changed all these. Now I'll start with the easiest way, which is through this app, image to icon. I think if you pay for it, you unlock a bunch of extra features. I think it's only $10. I'm going to do it at some point, just haven't yet. But it's definitely super easy to use and really awesome. Restore or create. We're going to create. Let's find an image. Let's take one that I already have. Throw this one in there. And poof. All ready to go. Now, I'll tighten this up, remove that background so the white is gone. And let's create a new folder on the desktop. Take that folder, drag it right on top. Let's magic start, and poof. Just made an icon for that folder. I've only had one instance where my computer stopped showing these icons. Haven't had any issues really with it though, of making them or them staying, except for that one time. I just feel like I was doing a lot of stuff with my computer, and this is a 2009 Mac, so talking almost 10 years and only 4 gigabytes of RAM. I'm constantly freeing up RAM on this computer, as you can see with that. Doesn't really help, but it's what I'm working with. At least it works. So I'm going to show you a second way. We'll just pull up the applications folder. Find an application I haven't messed with yet. Let's see. Reminders, maybe do that one. Photo booth might be a good one. Image capture. Didn't mess with that one either. Terminal might be a good one. Let's see what we find on Photo Booth. So just Google Photo Booth app icons. No. That's the original. It's that. When you want to change it to, maybe you want to change it to that. I was trying to find a set theme, either like these black icons or the wooden ones or nice glossy 3D. Those are nice. I don't really use photo booth, so I don't really care. And for the purpose of this video, I'm just going to pick any one. We'll use that. So, drag this to the desktop. Poof, cool, it's there. And we want to get info on the photo booth app itself. And I'll drag this over to PNG, so we'll see if it works. It's asking me to edit. And yeah, PNG gave me issues. Okay, so that's where this app also comes in super duper handy. Now you could just open it in preview and save as. Well, I don't actually know. Let's go through that. Open it in preview real quick and see if we could save as icon. If not, we can drag it into there. So save as, let's see. What will it let us do? Will you let us save it? Can we save it? Nope, just JPEGs, TIFF, PDF. Okay. So, as I was saying, this app comes in handy because export icon. Now, as you can see, the unlocked versions, ICO, PNG, JPG. Free versions. So it lets you do a lot for free. The templates on the side you could change. A lot of these are locked. I think it's only $10, so you know, if some of these are really important or useful to you, then yeah. So we're just gonna save this icon. Boom, desktop. Put that. Oh, did it not save before I quit? Whoa. So to take that one off of that, we're just gonna highlight it and delete it. Authenticate. Goes back to the original. Export. Mobile. Desktop. Save. There we go. And now we will just take this and bloop. Authenticate one last time. There you go. Instant icon change. Now, if you had this in your dock, all you're going to want to do is remove it from your dock first, then restart it, and the new icon will appear. Let's give it a test right there. Goes into my dock, so I didn't have to remove it. And now the new icon is appearing. Super sweet. Well, I hope that was helpful to anyone and everyone who's been wondering how to do that and hasn't found a way. I know I like customizing things, so it is fun for me. Thanks again. Later, y'all.